This content is intended for adult audiences and is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not intended for viewers under 18 without parental supervision and may contain harsh or graphic language, sensitive topics, and disturbing imagery. Viewers' discretion is strongly advised. So this is just us being nosy, reporting live from somebody else's business. We did the research so you don't have to. We hope this finds you well. Let us begin. Yo, so listen, before there was a shot-eye culture, before gunmen became garrison folklore, there was one name whispered from Kingston to the hills of Clarendon. That was Vincent Ivanhoe Martin, aka Rhyging. My boy was born in 1924, okay? He grew up in the ghettos of West Kingston, West Side, okay? He was known to be rebellious, a little flashy, and never too afraid of confrontation. You know how West Siders get out, you know how we already roll. But by his late teens, he was already wanted for multiple robberies and shootings. But what made him famous was how he moved. Rhyging was different. He'd leave handwritten notes after his crimes. Allegedly, I don't know. But one said, "The police can't catch me. I'm too fast for them." Another, "I don't rob the poor. I'm fighting for justice." People started calling him Jamaica's Robin Hood. But let's be clear. Rhyging wasn't just vibes. He was dangerous. My boy shot a police officer in the face. Real Tupac-y, you know what I'm saying? He escaped from jail multiple times. And by 1948, the entire island was on alert. Jamaica declared him public enemy number one. He wasn't hiding in bushes. My boy Rhyging was living it up in clubs, on beaches with women, rocking wide brim hats and gold rings. Yo, some people would claim to see him in Crossroads one day and out in Portland the next. He became a legend while still alive. But every outlaw has his last ride. In September of 1948, after a wild shootout in Lime Key, Rhyging was finally tracked and shot dead by police. His body was displayed for the public. It was more of a warning for those who might want to follow in his footsteps, trying to clear that out for anybody. Because can you imagine a gang of them? Danger. But Rhyging's life inspired the iconic 1972 film The Harder They Come, starring Jimmy Clift as Ivanhoe, Ivan Martin, which was loosely based on Rhyging's legacy. And the film introduced Jamaica's Badman archetype to the world. But the truth was already stranger than fiction. So, was Rhyging a freedom fighter? Or just a charismatic criminal? A Robin Hood? Or a rebel without a cause? It simply depends on who you ask. But one thing's for sure, he rewrote the rules and the system was not ready. So tell me, what do you think? We want to thank you for listening and watching the Jamaican Case Files.
Remember to subscribe to stay tuned to more hidden truths.
Until next time, stay woke, stay safe, peace.